Okay, so this is the Microsoft Minecraft Edition. We are going to look at how to download the accompaniment software called the Classroom Mode. And if you scroll down right about here, you should find the links for that. We want the Windows version. Unless you have a Mac lab, I don't think you will. And then you click on that, and it's going to give you this Classroom Mode setup MSI file, just so you can see it in the folder here. Hopefully this screen capturing software doesn't start. This thing's kind of a little screwy for me. So right there is the actual file that you'll be downloading. Your Minecraft software should look something like that. I've noticed that the Windows Store version and the one we get from the actual website are pretty much the same, so I don't quite know what the difference is between the two. Both have been working decent for me for the most part. So right here, once you get installed, it's going to look something like that. And I've already installed my software. Just click on next and finish and everything else, and just kind of your standard download. And I'm going to pause the video so that way we can go through and look at the software when it actually gets up and running with Minecraft. So the main thing is it's right there. It's hidden. It's hard to find, but you can find it by clicking right there with the Windows link. Alright, I think I have it figured out. So we're going to start Minecraft up. And once we get in there, we're just going to open up a generic world. I don't have any students to log in. However, someone else has a pretty good video on YouTube, and I'm going to show you where the links are for that in a second. So we're just going to create our world. I guess I can just go just run this one. I'm not doing anything in Minecraft. Matter of fact, I don't even know how to play Minecraft, but that doesn't mean anything. We're going to figure out how to get these students out here and having a good time with this stuff. So I'm just going to pause it so I can minimize the window. In case you missed that, and if you're playing Minecraft and you've never played before, let's go back to resume game. Okay, so you're moving around the Minecraft world and you need to get out of here. Just hit escape, and then that gives you the access to all the different minimize and maximize capabilities of the window. So you can just close that down, or not close it, don't close it, just minimize it. Then come over here and find your classroom mode, and you want to start this up. Okay, so you should open up your classroom mode. Let's make sure to open mine up properly. Alright, so put in your email address, which is your, I guess you can send me an email by looking at that, huh? And then we come over here and put in our password. These are all your district credentials, assuming you're with the school district watching this. So right here, now it pops up, and if we come over to Minecraft and we start this up and running, you'll notice that nothing is going on. Okay, so we got Minecraft running, but the companion software is doing absolutely nothing. Okay, and that's what's happening. It's not doing anything because we haven't told it to do anything yet. So click on the little tab that says waiting room. So you click on that tab and you're going to get this network IP address right here. Okay, that's a / for connect. That's going to be a command. We're going to put it into a command prompt. And you just click on the little copy button right here. And if you click on the X, it just closes that little sub window and it brings you back to the main window of your classroom mode. Don't click on the next one because you don't want to close this out. So make sure you come to the waiting room, get that IP address, copy it, or you can just click and drag and copy it. Just so you know, if you copy and paste that slash mark, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the slash mark. Okay, I'm going to hit Control C. I'll hit this copy just in case we got all of our copies down here. Okay, if you copy that slash, it's going to give you an issue over here just because it's going to paste double slash, and we don't want double slash. So let's go back to our game. And to get to our command prompt, we're going to hit the slash on the keyboard, which is the /. It's the one that leans to the right. Okay, it looks just like this. It's right above the question mark. And when you come down here, you'll notice we have all these different options and other capabilities. We're not going to worry about this too much. All we want to do is just worry about pasting. If you right click on your mouse, you'll notice it does not paste. So you need to know the hot key function for this, which is hold down Control and V. In case you didn't know, no worries. And then you want to come over here. Notice how we had the double slashes I was talking about. Okay, watch out for those, because if you hit the double slashes, it won't work. Oh, look at that, Minecraft issues. Okay, and once we get down there, just hit enter on your keyboard, and we should have some, oh, connection closed. What happened? Classroom mode, waiting room, copy. Let's go back here. Resume game. Let's try it again. So let's go back. Whoa. I'm going to come back here and delete that. And let's see. Hit enter. And it looks like we've got a connection to the server there. And there we are. Okay, so there's your window. Now, ideally, you want this in, say, maybe 2 separate windows or your monitor. You'll notice you can't really adjust this very well. Okay, so I have dual monitors on mine, so I can have this on one screen and then have the Minecraft on the other. If you don't have that capability, okay, you're going to have to kind of juggle your screen space here and figure out how you want to manage all that stuff. But just know that once you give control back to the main Minecraft screen, you're going to have to make sure that the other one is in location. But you can always just escape out and get your, let's try it like this. So I'm going to set it up like that. So there we go. And now we officially have our Minecraft Classroom mode. And there's another video that's better than mine that shows you actually how to use this. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on going through the ins and outs because they've actually already created that. So I just wanted to show you how to get there so that way you can get this up and running on your computer quickly as possible. All right, talk to you later.